so far?
Yeah.
Mental, isn't it?
It's nuts.
Absolutely fucking mental. Campsite set up.
It actually makes the chip look tame.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Campsite set up.
Yeah.
Hawaiian shirts on. Laughing. I'm on holiday, in a holiday mode or vacation mode. My tent is actually there, but you can't see it. Gaz's tent is there. You can only see half of it because he's, you know, it's camouflaged. So, fuck yeah. Time to party. Wow. Do you, right, on a scale to fucking 1 to buffalo chip, how mental do you think
this is way better. Way better already.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you reckon? Well, we'll see, won't we? This is going to be fucking chaos, isn't it?
I think it's going to be chaos.
This is going to be chaos. Stages 2.0. Especially we got the Welshman with us. Yeah. Oh, Welshman.
Yeah, actually, you have me thinking we're doing a picture of I was 85. They went from 79 to 84 this year. I just sold my house. I was like, fuck.
So tell us about your bike.
Her name is Trixie.
Trixie?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's her name.
Nice. Painted twice, you were saying?
Well, like I didn't, but they did paint her twice. They weren't very happy about it. They didn't want to paint it pink in the first place, much less twice. So, but it's worth it because she's pretty.
Yeah, she is, yeah. Look at that. So what do we think about the fucking rally so far?
Fantastic.
Yeah?
Absolutely fantastic.
It's mental, isn't it?
Yeah. Stand right. Yeah, exactly, yeah.
It's fucking crazy. God damn. It's a little bit mental, like, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
How many beers have gone down range so far?
3 in here, isn't it? 3 in here, yeah.
3?
3 in here.
I'm on 2. I drink like a girl.
Oh, it's a little girl. She's got it.
Till later, till it's fucking mental. Fucking God.
Oh, my favorite exotic dancer.
Yeah! Woo! Oh, yeah!
So I'll give you my first impressions of the Renegade so far. Like John said before, I think this is going to be as mental, if not equal to stages, because it is fucking mental. It's just people bevying everywhere. There's fucking bikes all over the show, vendors, beers. There's women wearing like nothing, which is mental. There's no models. There's literally no models anymore. Fuck. Later on over there in the Brap Lounge, it's called the Brap Lounge, B-R-A-A-P.
It's like its own little world. Just tucked in.
Yeah,
It's
so
like its own little
literally
world.
on little world. There's going to be live bands on later on. Fucking music going all night long over here. We got the games going on later. There's mini bike games and shit like that. It's going to be fucking chaos. Which is, I didn't realise it was this, but it's going to be. Do you think it was going to be this?
Not a chance. It's crazy. Oh, don't forget, there should be entertainment later as well.
Yeah.
It's not even 3 o'clock. We're not 3 hours in yet. We're actually 2 hours in.
It's 3 o'clock now and our first beer was at what, 9:40?
Yeah, so like, yeah.
Mental.
You're gonna run to the next chair. Go around the next chair. You're gonna hop through the hula hoops with 1 foot. You're gonna jump over the sticks with 2 feet. And then you're gonna go under.
There's only 1 set of hula hoops.
Yep, exactly. Yep. You better get there first.
I'm much larger than the dinosaur costume.
When you hear this signal, come on.
Go! Beep, beep.
Holy fuck.
You need me to shout really loud. So this is the the fucking relay race. We go dress up as a dinosaur. What's going on?
I don't know, mate. I don't know what. Actually, I don't know what's going on.
John,
yeah.
you know what's going on?
No idea, buddy.
No idea.
I just know.
Don't you fucking know what's going on?
I just know there was some chick with her titties out getting nipples fucking
Titties or
titties.
Titties.
And, titties.
Titties.
And now getting dressed up in a fucking dinosaur suit.
So yeah, we're gonna have to go over there and watch what's going on. But apparently this is the relay race. You got to dress up as a fucking dinosaur. So you know, hey ho, look at this.
Okay. Okay, guys. Remember when you get to the end, run back. Cheese can switch it.
Let's go, girls! Go! Come on, Cheese! Wow, we got a spastic. Who's second? Who's second?
Get ready, whoever's next. Teams can help. Teams can help. Unzip.
Oh! Just cleared that.
Here we go. Unzip it and run. Ready, you're in.
Take it off!
Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, we gotta unzip it. Open her up. She loses, she took off her shoe.
Holy fuck, you can't.
Oh my goodness. Get her in there.
Touch her butt, it'll help.
Holy fucking
Go, go, go!
Where's the switch? It's already on. You just have to. Let's see Big Dan in that suit. No, I'm not going. Let's give it.
How was that, man?
Oh, that's hot now. It's a good thing you're cute. I'm gonna have to move my bike, man.
Fucking hell, it smells like a fucking full-on fucking ganja fest. Alright, boys.
She is.
Enjoy that.
Fantastic, mate. Yeah, fucking.
Huh?
That's funny as hell.
Yeah, I was really. Cracking dinosaurs. Look at that, yeah.
So that's the food truck, man. We just had the Kahuna burger, John? Kahuna, something or other. Something with K, anyway. Proper nice, actually. Really nice. $19 though. Fucking hell. Gaz is fucked.
Yeah, beef jerky, mate. Beef jerky.
There's a cinema.
Oh, yeah. That's what I want to go.
Cinema's on. I don't know what time the movie is, but
Down here on the right.
look at this place, man. This place is fucking mental. It really is. Look. This is, I mean, it's on a smaller scale, but it is crazy so far, isn't it? Then you know, I'm talking like chip, chip crazy.
And the guy just told me, he said tomorrow apparently a lot of day people will just come in just for
Really?
the day.
Just for the
They
day?
wouldn't, like camp one night, said 2 weeks. Yeah.
Madness. Let me look at this shit. Holy fuck, dude. Where'd all these tents come from? Wow. And then we got the oh, where's the table gone?
They moved it.
Cheeky bastards. So fucking hell. I mean, this has been going on now for the past hour. What's occurring, boy?
It is fucking great, bud.
Yeah?
So,
Good time?
Yeah, it's wicked, mate. Yeah, it's wicked.
What do you know?
It's, you know, it's just a fucking good time. Like, doing everyone's just chilled, everyone's having a laugh, like everyone's relaxed, chill, like it's.
People just riding around.
Well, there's a couple of dickheads, yeah.
What?
A couple of dickheads for sure. Doing so, yeah. One more round now, so.
Go get a shot. I'll film the band. Go get a shot. Shots.
There's my roommate from Ruby County.
Shots.
Shots.
Bra, bra, bogle. Shots.
Happening, brother.
Legend. So this is Bri. He does all the media work for Odin. He's an absolute fucking legend of a guy. Check him out on Instagram. It is, what is it?
Stock media.
Stock Media. That's it. Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
As you can see, I've gone from not even that, but you know, I've minimised.
It's the way to do it. I need to do the same.
Yeah. I'm gonna be asked carrying all this shit. I'll see you for a beer in a bit.
Cheers, bro.
Alright, mate. See you later. queue for beer. And they have stopped serving beer because they want to keep hold of it for tomorrow. So they don't have enough beer, which is a bit shit because we paid for a all-you-can-drink ban, basically. And they're not handing out any more beers, so we're drinking fucking vodka soda and watermelon, which sucks ass because there's a PBR tent over there and they're not handing out many more beer. Come on, Renegade, that's naughty. At least, you know, at least let your customers have beer, and if you run out, go buy more tomorrow, not on the fucking first Friday night. That sucks ass. Hey guys.
Yeah, it's true. You know, there's so many people want to drink PBR, the beers can't go drink. Like, don't fucking hold it.
Yeah, that's it's a little bit naughty. I mean, don't get me wrong.
What they say it's the busiest Friday they've seen. So great. And obviously, lots of people drink beer, but like, well, you gotta cater to that, right?
Exactly. Especially when you paid $120 for a all you can. You know, I get it, but plan better. Come on, guys, please.
Well, even the waitresses were like,
yeah. Even the girls behind the bar didn't know what the fuck was going on. But anyway, we're still gonna have a good time. We're drinking this shit. We're still gonna crack on, but yeah, it's been good so far.
20 minutes later.
a minute. I don't know fucking what's going on here.
Gaz is going to sleep.
It is. Look at this.
John, are you in there already?
Okay now.
No, mate. Oh. Bedtime. See you guys tomorrow.
I wanna know.